If you are looking for a high-floor corner 4-room flat that is fully renovated in Fernvale Link, next to a shopping mall and an LRT station, then this is a right unit just for you. Hello everyone, I'm Sean from Urban Agents, and today we are here at Fernvale Link, and this is considered as the west side of Sengkang area, District 19. What I like about this area is that the residents enjoy a very serene environment with the greeneries in the estate, and we are right here standing in a park on top of a multi-story car park with the various linkways that is sheltered all the way to the various blocks in Block 440 series. At the same time, the residents enjoy a close walking proximity to Seletar shopping mall and also to the Fernvale LRT stations, which get you back to Sengkang MRT station. There's also the upcoming Fernvale Community Club that houses a hawker centre and a wet market. So today we are here right now going to see a 4-room flat that's situated on a high floor, fully renovated and kept in a good condition. So let's go and check it out. Stepping into the 4-room corner unit that sits on an area of 92 square meter, you can't really tell the difference between the 4-room and the 5-room because of the efficient usage of the floor layout. And what I like what the owner has done is that you have your built-in shoe cabinets on the front entrance, and here you can easily put in a 4 or 5-seater dining set just right next to your living hall. And as you walk with me, you can see there's so much ample space. You can put in a big TV console area as well as a L-shaped sofa where you can just sit down, chill, enjoy the breeze, enjoy the view on the outside, as well as watching your favorite TV channels. Well, we are going to check out where you can cook a feast for your family. Come with me. Stepping into this huge kitchen space, you can tell that the owner has carefully used the neutral earth colors that is consistent with the furniture that has been bought for the household, and this really enhances the whole entire space and brightening it up. Over here, you can see that the owner has maximized all the storage spaces on both sides of the wall with the kitchen countertops as well as the top hung cabinets for additional storage. What I like personally is that they have installed the tempered glass for easy maintenance, and you can easily clean off the grease after each cooking. You can tell that the kitchen space is not dark at all because of the service yard just right behind you where you can do your laundry. There are big windows that allow for natural ventilation and natural lighting that filters into the kitchen space. So let's check out the rest of the bedrooms. Come with me. Stepping into the first common bedroom, you can see that the owners have converted this to be the children's bedroom. And I like about this huge space because you can easily put in a double-deck bed, your study desk, your built-in cabinets, and a wardrobe for your children. So well, let's check out the second bedroom. Now we are at the second common room, which is the mirror image of the first bedroom that we have just seen. The owner is currently using this as a guest bedroom with your sofa bed and your wardrobe on one side. And yet you have ample space for all kinds of furniture. Well, to be honest, you can have all kinds of free play to convert this as your study area, home office, your children's bedroom or a play area, or even a fitness room where you can put in your gym equipment for your workout. So let's check out the master bedroom. Stepping into the ensuite master bedroom, you have your attached bathroom with your shower screen door, and on my right it is so spacious you can easily put in a queen size or a king size bed with your full height wardrobe. And what I like about this entire place is that all the bedrooms enjoy the same serene environment view towards the outside as the greenery, and it is so cozy and so well ventilated and naturally bright. Block 440B Fernvale Link is conveniently located within 1-minute walking distance to Fernvale LRT Station, which is exactly 4 stops away from Sengkang MRT Station. And the good thing is that you can walk within 1 minute to Seletar shopping mall, where you have your 24 hours NTUC supermarket and an array of retail shops and dining options for you and your family. At the same time, there is an upcoming Fernvale Community Club that houses a hawker centre and a wet market. If you like recreation activities in the natural landscaping, then there's Punggol Park Connector that runs along Sungai Punggol. Besides the option for grocery shopping in Seletar Mall, you have your Sheng Siong supermarket at block 417 and 473 just nearby, and as well as a cold storage within Greenwich village. Within 1 minute walking distance, you have the largest childcare centre at Sengkang West, which is called My First School, and there are other selection of primary schools such as Sengkang Green Primary, Fernvale Primary, as well as Fern Green Primary School. If you want to have supper in the middle of the night, not to worry, there's a supper haven along Jalan Kayu, which is the most 1 minute drive away from your estate. And if you are getting to the TPE Expressway, then this is about 2 minutes drive away from it. If you are looking for a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment that comes with a service yard at the back of the kitchen, fully renovated on a high floor in Fernvale Link, and you want the convenience of walking to the nearest shopping mall, LRT station, and the upcoming wet market and hawker centre in a community club, then please do not forget to call me at my mobile number for a viewing appointment. I'm Sean from Urban Agents, and if you like videos like this, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in my next exclusive listing. See you then!